Want to know how to resend an unopened email with GetResponse? It's simpler than you might think, but there's a little trick to it that could make a big difference in how your email campaigns perform. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through it step by step and reveal an even more efficient way to handle this process with one of GetResponse's competitors that you won't want to miss. So, first things first, GetResponse doesn't have a built-in feature for resending unopened emails directly. However, don't worry, there's a workaround. You'll need to create a new campaign or follow-up email. This can seem like a hassle, but once you know the steps, it's a breeze. Let me show you how. Next thing, start by opening GetResponse and go to the email marketing section. From there, select the email that you want to resend to people who haven't opened it. Now, you won't be able to resend it to just unopened recipients automatically, so here's the trick: duplicate that campaign. That's right, you're essentially creating a clone. Now, the third thing, once you've duplicated the email, you'll need to adjust the conditions for sending. You'll want to create a segment that filters out the contacts who've already opened the original email. To do this, go to the Segments section and create a segment based on the condition, Email Opened, and set it to No. This ensures you only send to those who never opened your previous email. The fourth thing, after you've set up that segment, it's time to send. Schedule or send the new email to that list. This will now be your second chance to get those unopened emails into the right inboxes. It's not a one-click resend feature, but it's effective if you're looking to boost your open rates. Now, here's where I need to be honest. GetResponse, despite being great for most email marketing tasks, lacks that simple, one-click resend feature you might be hoping for. If you want a more streamlined approach, especially if you send frequent emails and need precise automation, there's a better option out there. The alternative I'm talking about is insert competitor name. This platform allows you to resend unopened emails with just a few clicks and even allows for smart automation that adapts based on user engagement, meaning fewer manual steps for you. And trust me, that can save you a lot of time and headache. So here's the deal. We've got an exclusive and AMP, extended free trial to insert competitor name, and through our link, you'll get the best trial deal with benefits only available to our viewers. But I'm also sharing a few alternatives for you to consider that may suit your needs even better for resending unopened emails and automating your email marketing. Don't forget, these alternatives come with free trials too, so you can test them out risk-free. Check out the first link in the description for the best free trial offers and exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.